crank a little bit. Screws are loosened all the way. It's okay to go ahead and grab them. Screws of the chain guard actually thread into Handcycle is equipped with E-tap, but if you intend it to be used for guiding the cables taller than the other, so you want the shorter spacer to be installed on the drive side. Some spindles don't have a shoulder on the inside, so they will pull it into position. Now there's only a little bit of overhang there on the spindle, so we're going to use that end cap.